influences of aerodynamic in that show car is immense. You see, on one side we have a really aesthetic and a natural formed exterior. On the other side you see a high function and high-tech detailing, which leads to a really good aerodynamics. At the end we have the diffuser element on the rear, but still creating that overall closing tube, which gives the car that extra length and also better aerodynamics. The relationship between beauty and aerodynamics is quite a tough challenge, because not all the features that you might find attractive in first sight of shape and of surface treatment is really hitting the aerodynamics. At the speed of 80 kilometers per hour, like all the aero features are then starting to activate, and closing the grille, making the front wider to let the air stream nicely to the wheel. The wheels are closed, so they are also flattened to have a nice stream along the body, and also the rear extensions just coming out to extend the flow of the air on the rear as well. You have a really long hood. The cabin is really compact and sits a little bit shifted to the back. We're also contrasting that overall flowing shapes with a really strong and simple graphics of that round turbine which is closing the rear. There are 8 several pieces. They're coming out of that slot and closing to that one complete tube at the end.
Yeah, so in general, this is how we can imagine a business limousine for Mercedes in the near future. We've got this combination of very sculptural, very sensual shapes and very clean and very precise elements here. And we are convinced that using a lot of high-tech elements, it is also necessary to not lose the soul in a product and to create something emotional. The boundaries between the interior design and the user interface are actually blurred, and we have a lot of interaction between us, and this is necessary to create a user experience of one holistic design approach. This whole shape here is also milled from one solid block of glass, and the challenge was that it is curved in 2 directions. So you've curvature in this direction and curvature in this direction, and you've got a touchscreen bonded to the glass. That was one of the biggest challenges as well. We're not trying to lose the craftsmanship and the authenticity of materials. We're trying to combine both worlds, computational design and also still real materials and real craftsmanship.